how to make Google Slides automatically play. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your Google Slides presentation play automatically. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. First, open Google Slides in your browser and sign in if you haven't already. Then, open the presentation you want to set up. Next, go to the top menu and click on File. Then scroll down and select Publish to the web. A new window will appear with different settings. Here, click on the Embed tab or keep it on the Link tab, depending on how you plan to use it. Under the settings, check the box that says Start Slideshow as soon as the player loads, and also check Restart the slideshow after the last slide if you want it to loop. You can also choose the timing for how fast slides change options like every 1, 2, 3, or 5 seconds. Pick the one that works best for your presentation. Once you've set everything, click on Publish, then Confirm. You'll now get a special link that, when opened, will make your Google Slides play automatically. And that's it. By using File, then Publish to the web, then adjust settings, you can make your Google Slides run on autoplay with no clicks required. That's all for the video.